Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairunnas bin Zapiru. My metric number is 01DEE23F1020. I'm student of Unkoma Polytechnic.
Okay, so hello guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Filoman bin Sharin. Metric number is 01DEE23F1016. Now I'm studying at Polytechnic Unkoma in course DEE, Diploma Electric and Electronic. Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Syami bin Ishaq. My matrix number is 01DEE23F1007. I'm from Polytechnic Unkoma.
Hello folks, my name is Muhammad Iskandar bin Ismail from class DE1A.
Okay guys, in today's lesson, we will obtain unknown angle and distance from noun or measure angle in geometric figure. Deal with the study of the relationship between the side and angle of the right angle triangle. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angle, called trigonometric ratios of the angle. We will also define the trigonometric ratios for the angles of measured 0 degrees and 19 degrees. We will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles and establish some identities involving these ratios, called trigonometric identities.
Okay, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with specific function of angle and their application to calculation. Everyone can refer the slide for more detail. Their name and abbreviation are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Formula is sin theta equal opposite over hypotenuse. The second is cos theta equal adjacent over hypotenuse, and the last one is tan theta equal opposite over adjacent. Okay, easy way to memorize trigonometry formula. Let me show you an easy way to remember trigonometry formula. The first is sum all head for the sine formula. Why do we use sum all head? This is because the letter at the beginning of the word represent each side of or angle. For example, S for sine, O for opposite, and the last one H for hypotenuse. Clear? Next, the next formula is cos. We will use can always head. Just like the first formula, we use the first letter to represent each side and angle. C for cos, A for adjacent, and lastly H for hypotenuse. And the last one is, the last formula is their old age. This is formula for tangent, same as before. T for tangent, O for opposite, and A for adjacent.
So as you know, the formula is Sokatoa, or if you want to memorize it easier, you can use some old hags can hack their own age. So here we have opposite and adjacent, so T equals O and A, so it's their old age. So I'm gonna put tan equals opposite over adjacent, so it's 65 over 55. we're just gonna arrange them. So 65 over 55 is 1.18. And then we're gonna use tan power negative 1, tan power of negative 1, and then we're gonna get 49.72. So the theta is 49.72. So as you know that engineers routinely use trigonometric concept to calculate angles. So why did they use this? So they use this to calculate something like heights of an existing structure or an angle between 2 points. So here we have aeroplane taking off. So just want to sorry, forgive my camera. So they just want to know the climb angle and the distance climb. Other than that, the engineers also use them to calculate the distance traveled by the plane over the climbing state of the aeroplane. Thank you.
Okay, so if you guys see on the screen, it is example of practice question. So the instruction say find the angle of each triangle and put your answer to 2 decimal point. Question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. Okay, so guys, I give you guys 5 minutes to solve all question.
2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later.
Okay guys, so how can you guys solve all the question? So you guys see this the solution on your screen. Question 1, tangent equal to opposite over adjacent. So you guys can see. And then the second question is sin theta equal to opposite over to hypotenuse. And then you guys can get the answer. Question 3, tangent theta equal to opposite over to adjacent. Okay. The last one is cos theta equal to adjacent over to hypotenuse. And then you guys can get all answer. Okay. So yeah. Thank you guys.
In the conclusion, trigonometry can be used to find the height of objects that are too tall to measure by ruler, and it can also be used to find the angle of elevation. The value is then applied in real life for signification use. There are several formulas in trigonometry to find the different values of different sides and angles. Trigonometry is very useful, especially for architects to measure for renovating buildings.
Okay guys, that's all from my teammate. So I hope you guys can get something news about trigonometry. So if you guys have a question, you guys can type in comment. Okay, so I and my teammate can answer your question. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.